The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the T-Mobile REVVLRY Plus. So this is a new phone for T-Mobile. This is a budget phone. This is the third generation of the REVVLRY series from T-Mobile. So these REVVLRY smartphones, they have notches. This one has a teardrop notch. This is the Plus version of the REVVLRY. It has 64 gigabytes of storage, available in black. Your volume buttons are on the right side. Your power button is also on the right side as well, so it's pretty nice. It has an 18:9 screen. Bunch of specs and shit, so not too bad. It's $14 a month for 24 months for this one. If you guys want to do it monthly, it's $350 for retail price, so a bit more hefty, but y'all guys get the specs that do reflect that price. So anyways, y'all guys have a notch right there, teardrop notch, a camera flash, camera, just a camera. There is no camera flash on this one. The REVVLRY does have camera flash on it, but no camera flash on this on the front. On the left side, the thank you SIM card and memory card slot is on the left. Camera does take out just a bit. On the back of the REVVLRY Plus, you guys have what looks to be dual camera setup, which is pretty cool. Camera flash, fingerprint sensor, T-Mobile logo, and your REVVLRY branding there at the bottom. And it looks like it has like a glossy back to a natural glass or plastic, probably plastic. I'm not sure. So that's nice. And you have your right side, like I said, power button and volume button on the right side of the phone. So available on 64 gigs. So yeah. Key features is a dual cameras on back, 16 and 5 megapixel dual camera optical image stabilization, up to 22.55 hours of talk time, 16.5 days of standby time. The screen is 6.2 inches Full HD plus. It's 2270 by 1080 pixels. So not too bad there. Your dimensions of the REVVLRY Plus is 6.17 inches height, 2.96 inches height, and 0.32 inches depth. You have an all-day battery with 27 watt turbo power, so this does have fast charge on this one, so that's a win. It's Dolby Audio, turn stereo speakers, and it's refined 3D glass design. So the back is glass, I think so, yeah. So pretty sure the back of the front is glass. I thought it was plastic, but I'm sure it's glass according to the rules. It says take your photos to the next level with REVVLRY Plus, thanks to a 6 and 5 megapixel dual camera system and optical image stabilization. It's easy to capture outstanding shots in any lighting condition every time. Power your shots with an all-day battery life with a single charge, or up to 12 hours of power in just 15 minutes when using the included turbo power charger. Bring images and videos to life on an ultra-wide 6.2-inch max vision Full HD Plus display. Plus get loud, crystal clear sound from Dolby 10 stereo speakers. Experience faster performance with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor. Enjoy a redefined design featuring 3D glass, contoured glass with a water repellent design. Not waterproof, so very water repellent. So the REVVLRY Plus is not waterproof, so be keep in mind. With an industry leading 2-year warranty, but with REVVLRY Plus, smart price, alright. You also have a 3000 mAh battery in this one, which is not removable. There's your bands there. It has band 71. I don't see 600 megahertz on here. I'm sure it has it, but not listed here. It has dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, WEA, yes, The REVVLRY Plus with 6.2 modules and with Pi Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor. It will pay so y'all guys can use Gigabyte on this one and stuff like that. And what you guys get in the box is nothing special. Y'all guys get the REVVLRY Plus smartphone, SIM card, wall charging cable, quick start guide, and terms and conditions. So nothing special. There's a headphone or nothing like that. So there you guys have the T-Mobile REVVLRY Plus. Available now. It's a nice looking phone. It just had fast charging this one, so that's a win. So I think Motorola makes this one, but I could be wrong. And the reason why I say that because that's the cable power charger, which is a Motorola thing. So this one could be made by Motorola. I'm not sure. So there you guys have the T-Mobile REVVLRY Plus, now available for $14 a month or $350 outright. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, or let's know a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.